Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Pepe update today. The consolidation still continues. Bitcoin is making retracement, moving up, moving down, and yes, expectation was we are going to break, but still we haven't really broken above. And thanks to Bitcoin moving down again, has actually ruined the chances at the moment. But we're still in game. We are still in game. No hopes has been lost just yet. We are still in the game. And what I mean by this is that I've talked about a bullish rectangle yesterday. And by the way, can you do me a favor, like this video? It's actually not it's the only simplest thing I can ask you. Just like the video. Well, I want to push this content out there on YouTube, algorithm, so that it can actually get some more and more people. So if you do that, that would be amazing, and thank you for that. Thing is, you have this bullish rectangle. So last time you actually moved up, you attempted to break above and then move to the upside. You couldn't do it, and then Bitcoin dropped. This one dropped as well. Now you have a morning star coming up at the moment, and you're making the morning star right on the support level. So here you have 1 hour to 2 hours more to close the candle, and hopefully you're going to be closing up to 12,180, and then from here try to move back up again to that resistance, and eventually at some point I personally see that we could see a break above and then a push up to that technical target. Now be careful if we end up coming below here, and also be careful about Bitcoin dropping to the downside all of a sudden. So work with stop loss, do not get too greedy, do some risk management, money management, and I think you're just going to be good. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.